Hey there! Ever wondered what's really going on behind the scenes when you hit that Buy Bitcoin button? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to show you exactly what happens to your money and how you actually become a Bitcoin owner. No complex jargon, just straight talk about how it all works. First, let's follow your regular money. When you decide to buy Bitcoin, you connect your bank account or debit card to a crypto exchange. You deposit your regular dollars or your local currency. This money actually goes into the exchange's bank account. The exchange then credits your account with what we call trading balance. Think of it like putting money into a vending machine. Your cash is in, and now you're ready to make your purchase. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When you click Buy Bitcoin, the exchange matches you with someone selling Bitcoin. Your dollars are swapped for Bitcoin at the current market price. The exchange's computers update their ledgers instantly. You'll see Bitcoin appear in your exchange wallet. It's similar to buying foreign currency, but instead of getting physical bills, you're getting digital Bitcoin. And just like there's a spread when exchanging currencies at an airport, there's usually a small fee here too. But wait, where is your Bitcoin actually stored? The exchange maintains a huge digital wallet. They keep track of how much Bitcoin belongs to each customer. Your Bitcoin is actually part of their larger pool. Think of it like having money in a bank. The bank doesn't keep your specific bills in a special box. This is why you'll hear people say, not your keys, not your coins. When your Bitcoin is on an exchange, you're trusting them to handle it for you. Want more control? You can get your own Bitcoin wallet, like having your own safe. Transfer your Bitcoin from the exchange to your wallet. Now you have complete control over your Bitcoin. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. If you lose your wallet passwords, there's no Forgot Password button. And there you have it. That's what really happens when you buy Bitcoin. No magic, no smoke and mirrors. Just a modern way to exchange and store value. If you found this helpful, hit those like and subscribe buttons for more crypto clarity.